Hi students, in this video we discuss about aromatic compounds. This is very important to NEET, mains and advanced students. What is aromatic compound? The cyclic compounds which are planar. That means all atoms in cycle must have sp2 hybridization and having pi bond. Minimum one pi bond is required and having delocalized pi electrons. That means having resonance. The cyclic compounds which are planar and having minimum one pi bond and delocalized pi electrons. On equalizing the delocalized pi electrons to 4n plus 2. 4n plus 2 is equal to number of delocalized electrons. Number of delocalized pi electrons. Delocalized pi electrons. On solving, if n takes 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Generally 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Then we say that compound is aromatic. If the cyclic compound in all atoms are sp2, that means planar, number of delocalized electrons is equal to, on equalizing the number of delocalized electrons to 4n, then number of delocalized electrons is equal to 4n. If n takes 0, 1, 2, 3, then that compound is an anti-aromatic compound. It is the Hückel rule. So we check the certain cyclic compounds which are aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. First one, 3 membered rings. Here it is not planar molecule. What is the condition to become a planar molecule? All atoms must be sp2 hybridization. Here it is sp2 carbon. It is also sp2. It is sp3. 4 sigma bonds sp3 here. 2 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds sp2. How can we predict the hybridization? By counting sigma pairs and lone pairs. So here this carbon forms 4 sigma bonds to sp3. These two are sp2 carbons. So the molecule is not planar. So it is not aromatic. It is non-aromatic. Next one. Here C plus always having each atom and 2 sigma bonds. So sp2 hybridization, all atoms are sp2. So it is planar molecule. This pi bond when delocalization, that means resonance, double bond, single bond, plus charge. That means this pi bond is present in resonance, that means delocalization. So number of delocalized pi electrons is equals to 4n plus 2 is equal to n is equal to 4n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0. So it is aromatic compound. Next one. Here this carbon is sp2, it is also sp2, is C minus. But lone pair is present on delocalization. Double bond, single bond, negative charge. Negative charge lone pair present in delocalization. So number of pairs on this carbon is only 3. 3 sigma pairs because this lone pair is present in delocalization. That means it is localized on carbon. It is present in delocalization. So this pair is not counted to carbon. To predict the hybridization only 3 sigma pairs. So this planar molecule, number of delocalized electrons is equal to 4. This pi electron and negative charge. So 4 electrons. 4n is equal to 4. N is equal to 1. This compound is anti-aromatic. So there is sp3 carbon, non-aromatic. Both are planar, but here this follows the Hückel rule. It is also planar, but it satisfies the 4n is equal to number of d electrons, n is equal to 0, 1, 2. That means it satisfies the anti-aromatic rule. So it is anti-aromatic, it is aromatic, it is non-aromatic. It is the 4 membered ring. Have one pi bond. These two are sp2 carbons. These two are sp3. So it is non-aromatic. Next one, all carbons are sp2, it is planar. Number of d log electrons is equal to 4, so it satisfies the 4n is equal to 4, n is equal to 1. It is anti-aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. Here, this positive charge prevent delocalization due to shifting of ion. This capital is plus charge. So these two charges prevent delocalization. There is a resonance. Each atom is sp2 planar. C plus is always sp2 planar. It is planar molecule. Planar ion, dipositive ion, planar. It obeys the Huckel rule. 4n plus 2 is equal to n is equal to 0. So it is aromatic. Next one. Here this lone pair present on resonance. This lone pair present on resonance. One number of carbon, number of electron pairs on this carbon is 3, because lone pair is not counted to localized lone pair. It is not localized, it is delocalized. That means due to shifting of pi bond, this charge changes to this carbon. So these two negative charges are in delocalization. So they does not count the carbon. Generally C minus means sp3 hybridization. This is lone pair, minus means lone pair, but here that lone pair is not counted to carbon because it is present delocalization. It is not localized. Present delocalization. So these two carbon also sp2. Number of delocalized electrons is equal to 2 lone pairs, 1 pi pair. Totally 6. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 1. It is also aromatic. These are the 4-membered compounds. These two are aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic. It is 5-membered compound. These 4 carbons are sp2 hybridization. It is sp3 carbon. So it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. Here it is CH2 group. Number of a simple trick. Here it is CH2 group. Number of valence electrons CH2 group is carbon tetravalency 4. Each CH atom 1 valence electron. Totally 6. Is equal to CH minus totally carbon 4 H1 5 minus 6 is equal to NH. Valence electron nitrogen 5. H has 1 valence electron is equal to 6 is equal to O. O having 6 valence electron is equal to S. S also having 6 valence electron. Simple trick to derive the aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic 5 embodiments. It is a simple trick. Next one. Another hint is CH plus is equal to number of valence electrons is equal to 4. C has 4, H has 1, 5. Here plus 1, so 4 is equal to BH. Boron is trivalency, having 3 valence electrons and H has 1 electron. This plus charge. Carbocation. All carbon atoms are sp2. So planar. It is planar. Number of d log electrons is 4. This charge present in delocalization. Double bond single plus charge. So this charge present in delocalization. So number of d localized electrons is equal to 4. Satisfy the 4n is equal to 4. N is equal to 1. It is anti-aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. Next one. Here CH2 is replaced by CH minus. That means minus. Here CH minus it is. This lone pair is on delocalization, so does not count into that carbon. So 3 pairs sp2, all are sp2 planar. Number of d localized electrons is equal to 6. So it is planar and all atoms are sp2, so planar. Number of d localized electrons is equal to 6. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 1. So it is aromatic. Next one. It is aromatic. Next one. The CH minus is replaced by NH. NH having lone pair. This lone pair is delocalization. So hybridization of N is 3 sigma bonds sp2 because lone pair is present delocalization. So it is not counted to nitrogen atom. So 6 delocalized electrons, aromatic compound known as ferrol. Next one, NH is replaced by O. O have 2 lone pairs. One lone pair present in delocalization. Hybridization of oxygen is this lone pair is not present in localized lone pair. One lone pair delocalized. One lone pair is localized. So what is the hybridization? 2 sigma bonds, 1 lone pair. Total pairs 3. Lone pairs and sigma pairs. By counting the lone pairs and sigma pairs, we predict the hybridization. They are 3. So sp2, all are sp2. So planar. Number of d localized electrons 6. So it is also aromatic, known as furan. It is ferrol. It is furan. If S thiophene, S carrying 2 lone pairs because 6th group, 6 valence electrons, 2 sigma bonds are formed. So remaining 4 electrons as a 2 lone pairs. This lone pair is on delocalization. Like oxygen, it is also aromatic, known as thiophene. Pi bonding, we have 1 pi bond. Here it is CH2. It is also CH2. It is replaced by O. Here it is CH plus. This compound becomes aromatic because all atoms are sp2. O have 2 lone pairs. One lone pair present in delocalization. Double one, single one, lone pair. Plus charge, single one, lone pair. So this pair is delocalized pair. This pair is also delocalized pair. Due to delocalization of pairs, what is the hybridization of oxygen? 1, 2, 3. Total pairs 3. Lone pairs and sigma pairs are counted 3. That means sp2 hybridization. It is also sp2. It is also sp2. All are sp2 planar. This planar molecule. Number of delocalized electrons is equal to 6. 2 lone pairs and 1 pi bond 6. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 1. So it is also aromatic. Next one. O is replaced by NH. NH having lone pair. It is also aromatic. Like that is aromatic. It is also aromatic. Next one. Here it is plus charge. S atoms is also aromatic. Here it is NH plus it is O. Here it is the for example C minus pi bond. These are sp3 carbons, so it is non-aromatic. This is benzene. All carbons are sp2, so planar. Number of d localized by electron 6, so it is aromatic. Next one here CH group. Here it is CH group. CH group is equal to N because CH group having 5 valence electrons, N also have 5 valence electrons. So in benzene, for simple trick to remember the aromatic compounds with 6 membered rings. N here CH, each carbon have CH group. One CH is replaced by M. So number of this lone pair is localized, not when delocalization. So number of delocalized electrons is 6. It is known as pyridine aromatic. Next one here CH also replaced by N, another aromatic compound. In 2 N atoms, lone pairs are localized lone pairs. They are localized. What is the hybridization of N atom? 1, 2, 3. sp2 1, 2, 3. Pi pair is ignored in Vesper theory. So these are the aromatic compounds with 6 membered. Next one here CH2. CH is equal to N. Another 6 membered ring is each atom is sp2. Here oxygen. One lone pair is on delocalization. So total delocalized electron 6 is also aromatic. Next one double bond O. O is replaced by NH. All atoms are sp2. Number of delocalized electrons is equal to 6. So it is also aromatic. We discuss about remaining aromatic compounds. If you like my video, subscribe my channel.